Hallo, mein Name ist Herbert Reiter.
Hello, my name is Herbert Reiter. I'm a product manager at Heidenheim, and I'm responsible for encoder interfaces and signal converters. Today I'd like to present the topic of condition monitoring. How can encoders from Heidenheim contribute? Condition monitoring is becoming increasingly important as the digitalization of production processes advances. The focus is on increasing the machine availability and the better planning of any servicing work. Encoders from Heidenheim support you when it comes to the topics of online diagnostics and operating status data. What does online diagnostics mean? We've prepared a small setup to demonstrate this. Online diagnostics deals with evaluation of the current function reserves of the encoder. This is done by comprehensively analyzing the signal scanning. The data are then consolidated and standardized. We see the result here on a severely contaminated scale drum. We have simple valuation numbers that are output in very short cycles, resulting in a meaningful diagnosis that is easily understood by humans and by machines. Online diagnostics is available for encoders with a connection to Heidenheim, Siemens, or Fanuc controls, for example. The second item is the storage of operating status data. These data are currently most often stored by the control, but in the future, the encoder itself can also store them. What would typical data contents be here? Periodic data, such as motion profiles, or status-based data, such as temperature profiles, or status-triggered data, meaning data that are stored in case of an error. So how do data from the encoder, from the online diagnostics, and from the operating status data all flow into higher-level condition monitoring? You have to consider the time horizon here. The momentary analysis deals with the evaluation of encoder function reserves. For example, in order to assist a service technician on site. In a long-term analysis, the data are consolidated with regard to place and time. For example, in order to detect dependencies in processes. In a predictive analysis, the focus is on analyzing the trend of the consolidated data, with the intention of increasing the planning capability for machines. Online diagnostics and operating status data. Heidenheim encoders deliver valuable information for higher-level condition monitoring. Would you like more information? Our sales department will be glad to help.